everybody needs cleaning. Everybody needed a cleaning company, right? So networking was my number one way.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show. How did you get that first contract, and then also what has been your best way for getting customers going forward?
So I talk a lot. I'm a sales guy at heart, right? I love to talk shop. So everywhere and anything and any surrounding I was in, I always let people know the industry I was in. I may not have led with it, like I said earlier. I would go in the room in the first couple of years with other business owners, and I didn't necessarily pump my chest and say, hey, I own a cleaning company, but I listened. I heard everybody needs cleaning. Everybody needed a cleaning company, right? So networking was my number one way. And what I mean by networking is surrounding yourself around anybody and everybody that can potentially introduce you to somebody else that needs our services. And you guys, everybody needs our services. We are in a recession-proof and a pandemic-proof industry. Why do you think, there's a lot of noise going on, positive noise in the cleaning industry. This is the time to get professional and be doing what we're doing here with, networking with others, because this is a big way too, is subcontracting, partnering up, teaming up with other like-minded business owners. And we'll go deeper in subcontracting, but that subcontracting in the beginning was how I made my way to $1 million in revenue.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it, let's go.